Morning students, I hope you all are well. So as we have done till question answers of chapter 1, that is food and nutrition. So today we'll do worksheet of this chapter 1. Okay, so here I have framed some fill-ups. Okay, so you have to write the answers in these fill-ups. So first one is dash are energy giving food. Dash are called energy giving food. So as we have discussed that carbohydrates are called energy giving food. So carbohydrates, carbohydrates are called energy giving food. Next student, question 2 is dash and dash are called protective food. So as we have discussed that vitamins and minerals are called protective food and they protect us from falling sick. Okay, so the answer is vitamins and proteins. Next, third one is the part of the plant that cannot be digested. In this, we have to write the part of the plant that cannot be digested, but it helps in removing the waste from our body easily. So the answer is roughage. ROUGHAGE. Okay. Next, fourth one is dash are called body building food. So as we know that proteins are called body building food and they also help in repairing the damaged tissues of our body. So the answer of this question 4 is proteins. PROTEINS. Next one is food contains substances called dash which provide nourishment to the body. So as we have discussed that food contains substances called nutrients. Okay. So the answer of this one is nutrients. NUTRIENTS. Next one is, sixth one is a dash diet is a meal that contains all the nutrients in a right proportion. So student, as we have discussed that balanced diet is a meal that contains the nutrients like carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, protein, and along with it, it contains roughage and water in a right amount. Okay, so the answer of the sixth one is balanced diet, the diet that is balanced. Okay, so I'm writing the answer BALANCED. Okay, so this is the answer of question 6. Next student, seventh one is dash are more proficient in waking us up than morning coffee. Here you have to write the name of the food item that help us in waking in the morning than a morning coffee or a tea. That is more effective, that is more efficient. Okay, so the answer of this question is apples. APPLES. Apples are more proficient in waking us up than morning coffee. Next, eighth one is dash is the food that will never rot. Student, in this question you have to write the name of the food item that will never spoil. Okay, so the answer of this question is honey. HONEY. Honey is the food item that will never rot and it will last long for about 2-3,000 years. Okay, so the answer of this question is honey. Next, ninth one is potato, tomato and chili were actually first brought to India by. Here student, we have to write the name of the country from where the this potato, tomato and chili were first brought to India. So they are brought to India by the Portuguese. So I am writing the answer PORTUGUESE. Okay, so the answer of this one is Portuguese. Next one is, the 10th one is dash helps in the formation of bones and teeth. Student, here you have to write the name of the mineral that help in the formation of bones and teeth, and further it help in strengthening the bones and teeth of our body. So the answer of this one is calcium. Calcium help in the formation of bones and teeth. Okay, student? So these are the answers of your worksheet that you have to do in your notebook. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.